In this video, I'll show you how to build a clean and effective workout tracker in Notion completely from scratch. Let's begin. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page. Name it Workout Tracker, and feel free to add a dumbbell emoji to keep it motivating. Inside the page, choose Table, Full Page. This will be the foundation of your tracker. Next, let's customize the table. Rename the first column to Exercise. This will be a simple text field where you'll enter workouts like squats, bench press, or running. Add a new property called Date, and set it to the date type. Then create another property called Type, and set it to Select. Add categories like Strength, Cardio, Flexibility, and Core. After that, add a column called Reps or Duration. You can set it to either number or text, depending on how you track your workouts. Create another column named Weight, set it to number, and use it for kilograms or pounds. Finally, add a Notes field for extra details such as intensity, adjustments, or how you felt after the workout. To make your table easier to read, click the three dots at the top right and enable wrap cells and fit content. You can also color code your workout types using the select options. It keeps everything clear and visually organized. Now, let's add a few sample workouts so you can see how the tracker will look. For example, you can log squats with 10 reps at 40 kilos, running for 20 minutes, or planks for 60 seconds. Next, we'll build a simple progress overview. Add a heading titled Progress Overview, then insert a number widget. Rename it to Workout Count. Connect it to your main table and choose Count All so it automatically displays the total number of workouts you've logged. You can add more widgets like average weight, total minutes of cardio, or the number of strength sessions. To make logging workouts faster, create templates. Click the arrow beside New, select New Template, and name it something like Strength Workout Template. Pre-fill the type as Strength and add anything you want to appear automatically. You can create different templates for cardio, strength, or flexibility. Finally, create a calendar view to track your workout schedule visually. Add a new view, choose Calendar, and select the Date property. Your workouts will now appear on the calendar based on the dates you log them, helping you track your consistency. And that's it. You've just built a complete workout tracker in Notion, from scratch. Customize it however you like, add a cover photo, or include motivational quotes to keep you inspired. Thanks for watching, and try building your tracker today.